Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to create images in Abaqus for reporting purpose. So that is no need to use the print screen as the option to print the image in our Microsoft Word for the reporting, because using the print screen will give you very poor quality of image. Let's have a look. For example, we have this result and we would like to include this result in our report, and of course we need to include this image in Microsoft Word. So to do that, first I would like to encourage you to increase the font of the legend so that it will appear better and clear so that people can read the numbers in the legend. To increase the font in the legend, go to viewport and click viewport annotation option, and we click agent and we can set the font, put bigger font, let's say 10, and just apply. We can see that we have increased the size of the font for the legend. So next is to create the image for the report. So you go to file and then click print. Instead of printing, so you can click file, okay, file, and then just choose this one, print viewport decoration, so that we don't include the background which give you not so clear result. Okay, so we would like to have a white background, so just click the first one, and then we can choose the format. For example, in this case I would like to use PNG, for example, or TIFF is also possible, and then just put the name Abaqus image, and then we just apply. Okay, you will save the image in the folder that you set your work directory. For example, in my case, Abaqus class, so it's here, Abaqus image. So click here, so we have our image. So you just need to click copy and paste in the Microsoft Word.